Okay, cyoge no kanya dutangire. Legacy of Lies. Ya aracari Canada Premier umva. Warabonye Undisputed ntuti kuyingiyi. Ya Scott Adkins isagarutse muraka. Mambata nyuma ya 20k akubwira ngo pull up tugatangira. Legacy of Lies. Aracari samana umva Canada Premier.
Uyu muzigo ngukure mu bubiko kugisi abana banywa imiti nayo katini whisky n'udupeti mageneti katika china pati pati amajoro abiri y'inyatsi turimo twinywera enesi
pull up ndi karimbo ahantu harashya nakabuza nakubwiye warabonye Hitman's Holiday. Don't miss this. Ijwi rya Canada Premier. Pull up. Nakanyuma dutangira. Skia, okay.
Tam Kardashian's a lipstick. Fast and furious when you're with the creep. NYC after party rustic. Gaho pull up, poo poo. Shoni show, baby pull up. Fatakamoto, I'm your teacher. Follow my lead, I gon' make you bounce. I'm your coach. Toras, when it is your hook, more than sing magenete. Katika china pati pati. I'm a sure abiri inyatsi.
Pull up. Arashya nakabuza. Uravuna. Pull up. Arashya nakabuza. Ski okay. Pull up. Wanze iskevenike yajaje. Dutangira. Legacy of Lies.
Igisubizo ku buzima bwacu cyabonetse. Ivuriro inshuti y'ubuzima. Ku bagabo barangiza vuba bikabije, abatagira ubushake mu gihe cyo gutera kabariro, igisubizo ni kimwe. N'ivuriro inshuti y'ubuzima. Abagore batagira amavangingo, abatagira ubushake, abagore batarangiza, bose barakira kandi burundu. N'ivuriro inshuti y'ubuzima. Muri iri vuriro kandi turaguha igisubizo kirambye ku bantu bikinishije ndetse ugatandukana burundu n'ingaruka zabyo. Tubavura kandi infection zifata mu myanya y'ibanga ku bagabo n'abagore. Hari ubuvuzi bwa aromatherapy ifasha abarwayi umutwe udakira n'indwara z'ubuhumekero. Tukagira kandi sauna na massage ifasha abarwayi imitsi na rubagimpande. Kuri wowe kandi wazonzwe na amibe, indwara z'inyama zo mu nda, mwese mutugane tubafashe. Ku bagore bafite ikibazo cyo kuva ntibakame, turabafasha mugakira burundu. Tubavura kandi amarozi y'ubwoko bwose, yaba amategano, amatamikano, amahuherano n'ayandi. Ufite ikibazo cyo mu myororokere, ubuhumekero. Ese wari uzi ko ushobora kubona provisoire mu minsi 10 gusa? Nibyo birashoboka hamwe na Kigali International Learning Center, ishuri rya mbere mu kwigisha. Aha kandi uraza no kuhakura perime mu kwezi kumwe gusa. Twigisha indimi ku rwego mpuzamahanga zirimo Igifaransa, Icyongereza, Igishinwa, Igiportugais, Igiswahili n'izindi. Nitwe kandi tubafasha kubona certificat zirimo TOEFL, IELTS, DELF na Duolingo. Waba warabuze amahirwe yo kubona amanota kwerekeza muri kaminuza? Wihangayika, kuko muri Kigali International Learning Center ari ryo shuri rya mbere ryigisha candidat libre mu mashami atandukanye. Mu imyuga n'ubumenyi ngiro tubafitiye accountants na tourism, naho mu bumenyi rusange tubafitiye MCE, MPG, HEG, MEG, MCB, PCM, BCG na PCB. Turabahugura kandi mu masomo atandukanye ya computer. Dusanga dukorera mu mujyi rwagati mu nyubako ya Chic muri etage ya mbere mu muryango A035A2, cyangwa duhamagare kuri 07 89 69 42 43. Murakaza neza muri Kigali International.
Aya Ukraine Film Agency abona abateguye Ministry of Culture British Film Institute nabo abandi bagize mu ruhare. Legacy Films, Sankara the Premier Mwumva, Toy Cinema, AB Store Production. Usimba somera kwanza sikicyanzanyi. Mutega amatwi nanjye nkore ki munakanure cyane. Legacy of Lies, Scott Adkins no mucikwe. Abenshi mukunda kumwita Boyika, abandi Mutebutsi. Sinzi ibyo bizo naho mwabikuye. Scott Adkins ho mucikwe muraya. Ana ntumucikwe. Yuria Soboro. Amazina la. Bwatinze. Hari uri mu mazi. Uko mureba naye niko ndeba. Sekwe datangira. Cyaba cyatambye gufutije filime gatangira. Sikiye kareba. Tangira hakuno. Hari wazaga hano baza ari kiwe house cyangwa kigarara gishaje. Udamatambuka gutyo.
Red Star is on site. Headed due south.
Red Star avugaga.
Star is on site.
Red Star kuri site.
Headed due south.
Asangare majepfo. Witegure. Haro babwiraga. Araka Scott Adkins. Yitonza vayo. Hari mudamu atambukaga wishwe Red Star. Tanya muri Kiev, Ukraine. Imyaka 12 ishize. Imyaka 12 imbere yuko Uburusiya bukora iki? Mukanure cyane.
Stepanenko has arrived.
Stepanenko yarahageze.
Wait a second.
Buretse akanya. Hari utwa Stepanenko uparitse imodoka. Ngo Red Star baje guhura. Nganda. Mudamu aravuga ikirusiya. Tanga agapapuro.
Stepanenko is not alone.
Stepanenko ntabwo ari wenyine. Kubera Sasu. Hano barashara imodoka. Fajya n'umudamu. Bamarasa mugongo. Binawe yivanga mu ntambara.
Red Star is down.
Red Star arashwe. Nyene ubufasha. Fajya mu gituza. Yunawe. Tangira kubaza ko barashe ku mudamu. Ko filime itangiye. By the Legacy of Lies. Ho. Kubwa Sankara bazaniza umwaka we. Ho. Kureba hejuru murasaga. Ciyo. Nije mu kibisi gishaje. Dasa hejuru. Manu wa mbere. Red Star baramashe bamwibaga kapu. Kuri kizi kiga amasasu nacabona. Uva mwana gira vuba backup nagire boze nona. Shaka ibijyamwe.
Morgan.
Gezano yewe.
It's me.
Ni jewe. Martin.
Okay.
Sa umeze neza.
You stay there.
Bakora cyane uguma mu modoka nusohoke. Bande nabari wateye ni bandi. Boyika yajwe yiswe Martin. Kigabo kiri hakuno ndi hakurya. Bari muri junkyard. Hano hari imodoka bishaje. Arangije umuhanga hano ari bikwasteri ajya hejuru. Azamushakire hasi undi ari hejuru. Yitonze maze ndore. Bari muri Ukraine muri Kiev. Asasu we. Tagata baraga. Poka hasi. Rangije karega twagika paragifata. Nya. Fire nari. Bavana y'umukobwa.
Lenya Sonko.
Baravuga kirusi.
Throw me back.
Nagira kugakapu ufite.
Go.
Ndeka umukobwa agende.
Слышишь, что я тебе говорю?
Sana gakapu nona.
When you let it go.
Nutaraga gakapu nago muguhereza.
Just listen to me, alright? You let it go.
Nyumva neza reka umukobwa agende
The end of it.
tubirangize neza
But if you do not, you are a dead man.
kandi nutabikora nawe uri umupfu
Throw me the fucking
hereza igikapu urubavu ngo bari serious
back!
zana igikapu kugira ngo abyemere amupasa amukubita sampo y'isasu mu rubavu urabyemeye ko ndi serious ndamumena ubwonko avayo agakapu sinzi harimo iki hey zana agakapu
No, давай!
kanage akanaze kumbe yarotaga nibyo yibukaga wari umunsi umwe barakwereka muri Peckham London uyu munsi present day wa mugabo bari muri crane ibere yakora muri London Jakuno
20 minutes. You're
Minota 20 uriteguye kana karaporeza
The hell is that?
Jenebiki
avocado salad.
salade zirimo avoka
I'm detoxing.
ndimo na detoxinga
Boxing, what for? You're 12.
uri muri detox ifite imyaka 12
So-
kwa kundi ikuramo ibiyobyabwenge
Clean out your whole body.
oya detox ni ugusukura umubiri wawe wose nta kintu kiwangiza
Everything changes for the better.
ereteye kubuzima y'ubuhinde bushaka ubyiza birenzeho ibyo mvuga baje kumbari mugabo nakana
I'm boring you.
umva ba nakurambiye
So, sweetheart.
nicyo ukora kivuze pasheri
Never mind.
ntubigire ikibazo
Listen. It's Richie May.
ase umva Rich May
He's got the range, but you got the power.
afite utekinika ariko ufite imbaraga
He's really tricky.
akandi afite ukuntu gutricking iyo muhanganye
He's gonna keep you dancing at the end of his jab.
ingumi ze ntabwo uri buzukwepe
Create.
cyane cyane amaguru
Bide your time.
akana karamuye nsimanza ajya mu mirwano bakunguka amafaranga kana karakubwira ati ndwanya umuhangana zifite tekinika ariko ufite imbaraga kandi imbaraga si ibirayi
I'm gonna do what I always do, okay?
mwana wenda akora ibyo usanzwe nkora nta bindi
Smash straight through.
yamushyira hasi muhondagure
I think that'll work,
Don't
Dad.
you worry
basi ngo mbikeka
to me.
mwana wanjye bindekera ibindi kira amafaranga ugenda ushetere uri shuwa
Sure. Anyway, what is this? 20 questions? Go on.
ubu muri ayo ibibazo birenze veni nawe genda ushete ugaruke isarazana agahondagura n'akana kamubetingira bakunguka se n'indwanyi kuri bwate ubukene si ikintu mwana yinjira hakuno saza boite z'amabandi bya bindi bya under age ngo ari munsi ya 18 ntiyemereye kwinjira hano nibihari
2.8 for the bull. You're kidding me. Richie May won the last K1 Grand Prix.
Rich niwe nsheteye
Iki-
twanga gushetera se
Shit out of the fly and almost choked Gary Newman.
namusheteye kandi n'ubushize namusheteye ndatsinda
Boy should be way over 3.
2.8
buri niwe nshaka ko atsinda
it is.
akubiye kabiri n'ibice 8 amake 50
Oh, you're a real high roller, aren't you?
kabe suri mazamura ibiciro cyane sibyo
Here's 500.
sakira 500 nitwa Rich May niyo nsheteye gasheteye yitwa Rich May niyo gashiriyo ise nabarangira kubitamo zaga mu Rwanda hakuno imbaraga nizo zikora ukayacura yawe tayare kana kaza hakuno kaje gufana se akana kasheteye yitwa Rich May kandi zagabwe kamushete se yinjira ring uriteguye nawe uriteguye muhondagurane sha sasa ano imbaraga nizo zikora ukabona ibyo urarira tayare bagabo mini ndwanyi ewe baragundagurana kana viyo ko bamwishe nta namusheteye kana kabwiye se yeah meka kabwiye se ngufite imbaraga ari kuri afite tekinike muzahe yapurika ibirayi bandi ni tekinike byanyabyo kigabo kirakomeye
He's got the range. Use your legs.
umva akoresha amaguru yawe papa mugabo arabangutse tayari mugabo mushyira hasi mugabo niyumva arakomeye papa warwana reba neza warwana hareba ijisho bare tarabari bari menya ni maravutura so ku ruhande papa warekeye
It's time to stop.
cyogiye cyo gurekera ye tata we parika nabi tewe tata we bana makarinda menyo nabi tabaye ibyo mangu barariye koko tayari hey avayo amangu mi baramukomye koko
You alright?
meze neza ameze neza moko uratsinze rata
Better luck next time.
ubutaha rwose musore wowe uzitegure neza
Fuck is that?
ibyo ni ibiki mwana ba
Did you bet against me?
no ntago washeteye washeteye undi
I tried to warn you.
nagwaye gasopo ntago ugishoboye kurwana urabyihata nasheteye undi ko ari butsinde May Richie yagukomye
I don't know what's been up with you lately.
sinzi ibyo umaze iminsi urimo
You've just not been focused.
ntago ugitekereza ku kazi kawe ko kurwana abandi babyukira mu mwitozo ubyukira mu ibaro ujya kumangurutse Liz ndangana ketwe ka Liz kubera ubukene ise nta yindi job kubyukira muri tiza nabyo nta kibijya bajya mu icupa kumbe hakuno dore bituma mukasirwa nta bindi n'udufaranga duke abonye no kujya muri byeri na za congo fata ku mwaka ubu eske karaga umuhumetso maze nakubeshye mwumva udutera afite nimba umugore yaragiye ntumbaze akana gasigiraho ibya nijoro nawandi akaruhukira hakuno ntago nashoye amafaranga nashoye nayo nakozemo aritere ubundi amaguru upfa kuba afite nkora korose na aritere rero bampata mangumi tayari bizinesi ntago iteze guhomba kandi akibereye hakuno kaba kishushanyiriza tayari bitonze hana nshaka kureba mu maso ijana itara kumbi itara yikangamo yibuka ibindi hari umuntu bazaga yicunda yamubwira nshaka kumureba mu maso umeze neza sheni tara hirya gera hirya Chongo koko utantwaretse umva mu mahoro reka ntuzi ko sheni
I'm sorry, I just...
fucking late. Wambuye hejuru ku muntu wabayite. Sawa. Abagore batabwiwe nabi ni bumva. Karyama hakurya. Maze ndanivumbuye. Umuntu sanga nama yarahageje. Twagira ni business yari yashoye nawe ngazunguka. Ayo wamaye wari muri ampombya. Njya ni duka. Hakuno. Muzehe mu gitondo n'imbunda ye nta ubura hagangika cyangwa sabari amasaha yavuye mu mirwano yifatira kabunda twatangiye filime arimo arasana n'abantu muri Kiev muri Ukraine Reteguye
Remember what I told you?
wibuke ibyo nakubwiye
Dad, I've been thinking. You like it here, right?
Papa se gutyo bishaka
It's all right.
Sawa
I'm tired of moving all the time.
Papa nyinambiye guhora twimuka
I think we should settle down here.
ndakeka twaguma hano tugaturiza hano
Open a restaurant or something.
dushaka restaurant dufungure dukore business fatika cyangwa ikindi kintu urabitekereza iki kana gatoza kurasa buri munsi
You know what I think, Liz?
Liz byo nekerezo urabizi
I think we should keep moving. You know?
ndakeka twakomeza tukagenda twimuka
What do we do, right? Me and you.
nje nawe tugakomeza twimuka tugenda buri hamwe kuko turi ikipe
Team.
we are team
But why?
kubera
Look, you're not concentrating, are you?
uzi guturiza hamwe
Remember what I said about aiming the gun?
wibuka ibyo nakubwiye ngo ujye utekereza ku mbunda
Use these gun sights to aim.
jya ureba hano inyuma ku muhumetso w'imbunda
Right? You
Sibyo?
don't the target. Target's in the background.
target ni iri inyuma
You got it, but it's these.
hano inyuma niba urebeye neza
Come on, you know what to
ni mgufa kasinga ukarasa sawa ngero urasa irindi rimwe
I want to start school this fall.
papa nashaka kujya mu ishuri nshaka gutangira kwiga akararasa nikabyitaye
Not concentrating, are you?
ase kutita ku byo urimo akora Liz
Dad, I have to think about my future.
papa ndimo nshaka gutekereza ahazaza
I have to have a profession.
ngomba kugira akazi gafatika
Well, you want an office job?
nshaka kujya mu biro mwana we sibyo mvuga
I could be like a writer or an artist.
ndashaka kuzaba umwanditsi w'ibitabo cyangwa umuhanzi
Oh, yeah, that's just what the world needs is another arm.
ibyo ni byo ikeneye cyangwa
Begging on the street for money. Oh, please pay me. Pay me
ubusabasabiriza ku muhanda bose ntibabaye usasikiga ubukira abajyana nacyo ni ikizigizima mu mutwe
to express my innermost thoughts. What I've always told you, Lise. To be independent.
icyo nagusabye umwana ni ukuba independent ukimenya
Don't have to rely on anyone else.
hatagira undi muntu rwose urangamirizaho
But to be independent, I have to have skills.
ariko kugira ngo mbe independent nuko ngomba kuba ufite n'ubumenyi
You got plenty of skills.
mwana wanjye ufite ubumenyi buhambaye utanaza ahubwo
Taught you everything you need to know.
nagutoje ibyo ugomba kuba uzi
After this summer, I'm starting school.
papa nyuma y'iyi samanye rwose ngomba kujya ku ishuri
That's it.
kandi niko bimeze arabana nta nyina nta kepfo ka ruguru usibye se ise nawe nijoro ubitamo agakositimu ana amakuru ni ayandi Skuratov n'umugore we muri New York baharasiwe niyo nkuru irimo iraca kuri televiziyo kuramo amakuru yitwa ko abarusiya barasuye muri New York nta yindi nkuru irimo iracongora abarusiya babiri umugore n'umugabo barasuye muri New York kuramo amakuru mwana ngiye mu kazi
Lise,
Liz
be back later, okay?
yagiye mu kazi
Pizza in the oven.
mwagusigiye pizza muri oven
Do you ever listen to anything I say? I'm detoxing.
papa ariko jya wumva ibyo nkubwira ntabwo nshaka ibintu byo kubyo harimo na detoxinga nahinduye imirire umugabo wakuno mu kazi ni bahunsa buriya abantu badakunda gukora nawe uganga akazi kara uzajya ugaterura ibyuma ukaba bahunsa ukaba udahembwa hano hari abarwana mu mbari nk'irwana kimwe kimukoma ingumi n'umubahunsa akabizanamo n'umujinya yewe ubu bahunsa ni ugukiza abantu si ukurwana mate bana ibi ntabwo ari byo shaka polisi itangize mu kazi kacu wakubise umukiriya bakize batandukane wikomereza ukora akazi nyumva neza imihari yawe ujye uyigumana uranyumva ntukazane ibibazo by'iwawe mu rugo ngo uze gukubita abakiriya niba barwanye bakize bigarukiraho simple as that kumbe hano
Okay. Next.
ukurikira iyo binjiye hakuno barabasaka
management.
Martin kaza kana muzi izina kangaka ko
Pass on the tray.
zana hano agasaka mekaye ngusaka tinzane bimogi bitemewe
Did you know that anger is always preceded by feelings of pain?
ase ujye utabangamirwa no kumva uburibwe budasanzwe mu mubiri
I think you should probably mind your own business, don't you, love?
wa mukobwa byakaye byiza urebye byakuzanye ukare kumbaza byinshi
Next.
undi ukurikira
We are in the same business. We need to talk.
ahubwo nyine turi muri business imwe dushatse twanavugana ikavuga byinshi karigendera hazi ngo ni kande gasiga hano karanga muntu kako hano sasa arabazaga harabinjiye mu bari bafite imbunda kakabari Martin akoramo Martin ari mbakiriya hari umurataga kofi wa mukobwa waje mwango duhuje akazabwo dukeneye kuvugana azamushakisha Beatons kobwa ibereye hakuno arimo aranywa amangurutsa
You got this?
hari akantu wibagiwe
Be a bit more careful with my belongings if I was you, Miss Stepanenko.
ati wa mukobwa bibaye byiza wagicunga ibintu byawe Madame Stepanenko kobwa no umurusiya
Interesting name, that. What is it?
Mfite izina ritangaje ni iki?
Russian?
Uri Umurusiya?
Ukrainian.
Ndi Ukrainian.
You do remember my father, Igor,
Ese papa yitwaga Igor uramwibuka?
don't you?
Sibyo?
You worked with him.
Wakoranaga na data
The Gazette?
kuri gazete.
Kiev 12 years ago?
Uribuka imyaka 12 muri Kiev.
He told me you were the best investigative reporter he'd ever met.
Ati yarazi ko uri umunyamakuru rwose uzi gushaka inkuru ukazimuhegezaho. Mwarakoranye.
I think you might have me confused with somebody else.
Wewe mko wasanga wananyibeshyo. Karangije.
This was taken on my father's cell phone.
Ati ifoto yaturutse muri telefone ya data.
It was taken just a few days before he died.
Iyi foto bayikuye muri telefone ya data iminsi mike mbere yuko apfa. Akira hano.
My father,
Uyu ni data.
his colleague Olga,
Uyu ni mushiti we Olga.
and this is you.
Uyu ndakeka ari wowe. Yarakakanya ngo nawe aziranye na se. Isa ariko ngo wagakobwa yarishwe. Yitwaga Igor.
How'd you find me?
Wamenye gutahundi.
I'm a journalist,
Ndi umunyamakuru.
just like my dad.
Nkuko data nawe yari umunyamakuru.
What do you want?
Ushaka iki?
My father's mission is mine now.
Misiyo ya data ubu yabaye iyanjye.
Nothing has changed since he died.
Nta cyahindutse nubwo data yapfuye.
Have you seen the latest news?
Waba wabonye amakuru mashyashya?
Look, what happened to your father? That was a tragedy, but
I need
Ibyabaye
your
kuri so.
help to get the files.
Nkeneye kubona bya byandiko. I need your help to get the files. Shaka umfashe kugira ngo ibyandiko data yasize. Sinzi ibyandiko ubwoko ki? Ngo bakiraho. Jya hasi. Arabaza nyimuna muri bwate. Ho bari. Gakobwa maza kari guhigwa. Kiswe Sasha. Stepanenko. Bati nagacikisha muri bwate. Asasu byanyabyo we. Binjira igikoni. Abatugusa mwegereye ibintu byakomeye hanze. Genda batega ibyo batega. Hey, filimi da. Yawe. Yavuye mu kazi. Yebera bounce bagiye gutuma gasubiramo. Mukobwa ngo ibyandiko bya se ata publishings. Mukobwa ashaka gushyira hanze. Sinzi n'ibyandiko bwoko ki. Sasha yajamagara gakobwa. Gitonzi kibunda kuraye ibikumwe arakinaga. Tagira umenyo ko ari ryo warashe. Za hakuno tahiwe. Yitonze kazamaze imyaka 10 ninga avuye mu umukobwa wawe umugabo yakoreraga anataka amusaidie bagere ku mafile ayashire ku karubanda. Fata inkoni ya baseball. Zinkoni zirakomera shawo. Yitonze turore. Kugira hana kana kararyamye. Ekaliz. Muryango wundi ndawo kinguye. Turore. Kugera ha. Martin.
You old fox.
Ameze nka kera kabisa. Nyuma nanjye mugeze mu rugo.
Been a long time.
Cyari igihe kirekire mwana. Tutabonana. Labana sanze bageze mu rugo iwe.
what's going on, Trevor?
Trevor nibiki byambere.
Old lady throw you out again, or
Mugore mukecuru yakwereje cyangwa?
CIA starting another war?
Cyangwa CIA igiye gutangira intambara Central Intelligence Agency.
Just craving a little chit chat with an old buddy.
Man, nta no kuganira mo nk'unshuti ya kera utangiye guhita uzazana akazi. Mundi wakicaye. Charira tuganire. Fata umunyate wangu. Kanda amazi tuganire.
So you found the beer?
Mwabonye na byeri.
John Edwards,
Barita John Edwards ngengora MI6 ubutasi bw'abongereza.
MI6. Heard a lot about you.
Nakumvishe byinshi.
You're bleeding.
Urimo urava amaraso mwana.
Oh, don't worry.
Ntugire ikibazo.
Serious, just a little
Nemyuni isanzwe.
humor comes and goes.
Iraza ikagenda.
Just can't seem to find the time to schedule the surgery, though.
Ntago ninzemo n'umwanya wo kuba najya kwibagisha.
Can't be too careful.
Kwibagisha vuba nabyo nasibye byiza biraho.
Want to tell me what you're doing here in the middle of the night?
mwambwira icyo mukorana muri iki gicuku.
Alrighty, let's get down to it.
Sawa sawa, reka dutanye tubiganiro nabyo.
We're here because of your little tete-a-tete with that cute reporter. What exactly
Twaje hano kubw'inkuru idasanzwe yawe n'uriya mukobwa w'umunyamakuru.
did you two discuss?
Ubundi hagati yawe n'uriya mukobwa w'umunyamakuru Sasha mwaganiye iki?
I don't know what to tell you, Trevor.
Sinzi icyo kubwira Trevor.
I'm a bouncer.
Njye ubu nabaye bounce, akazi nakavuyemo.
You know, part of the job description is you got to talk to people.
Niwe wana n'ubu sinyivugana n'abantu twakoranaga kuko nakavuyemo nitangiye ubuzima busanzwe.
When you quit MI6,
Ubwo wavaga muri MI6
we had an agreement.
twarumvikanye, had an agreement.
You don't mess with our business. We don't
Utazagaruka mu kazi ka MI6 niko twumvikanye.
mess with yours.
Kandi nukaza mukatubangamira. Natwe
Told you then.
we shall mess with yours. Natwe tuzakubangamira mu kazi niko twakubwiye.
You try to get back in the game.
Washatse kugaruka mu kazi.
I take you out.
Nkukuramo.
Now, did she mention the files?
Uriya mukobwa w'umunya-Ukraine files yazivuze hiki?
It's 12 years ago, Trevor.
Umva Trevor, haciye imyaka 12 bya file narabivuyemo.
Why the fuck are you bringing it up now?
Kuki ubingaruyemo?
I don't know what happened. The Russians got the files.
Simbizi n'abarusiya bari babonye files.
Mission not accomplished.
Mission ntabwo yanarangiye.
Well, the reality turns out to be a bit more complicated than that.
Ati ahubwo bisa nk'ibintu bitasobanutse neza kurushaho.
Please enlighten me.
Mbasobanurira neza. Bamuhereza ifoto.
We're all worried about your health, Martin.
Martin, twita ku buzima bw'abantu.
What's that supposed to mean?
Ushatse kuvuga iki?
They will find you.
Bazakubona.
The Hilton, yesterday morning.
Uwo ni Hilton yari mugeze mwarakoranaga ejo mu gitondo nibwo bamwishe.
He was less fortunate than you.
Aba yarindwanye nkawe.
Who is he?
Ari he? Ninde uri kubita yirukanga nyuma?
Got too close to her.
Komeza wegera uriya mukobwa cyane. Uramenya abarusiya aho naho ko bari kuguhiga.
They nabbed him by surprise.
Naye baramutunguye namenye n'uburyo yishwe.
Stakes have gone up, Martin. The Russians have repeatedly used nerve agent in the UK. Now they've done it on our
Abarusiya bongeye kuzamya ibintu muri UK, ushatse nawe wagenda gake.
as well. We consider this an act of war.
Ibi twabifata nk'igikorwa cyo gutangiza intambara. Act of war.
Work with us, Martin. We'll protect you.
Homura Martin, dukorana natwe tuzakurinda.
Otherwise,
Cyangwa se bitabaye ibyo,
you could end up with a new smile too.
cyangwa utangire kumwenyura na bundi buke n'ibindi bigucanga. Papa,
Please, back to bed, please.
mwana wanjye Liz, gisubira mu buriri.
Back to bed.
Jya mu buriri.
Lisa,
Lisa. Kaza kwa se.
last time I saw you, you were wearing a poopy type.
Mwana ameruka kumureba rwose yambaye pampa.
Need to go back to
Papa
bed.
kuryama byananiye.
That's where you are again.
Mwana ngenda uryame.
Some daughter you got there.
Ufite umwana rwose.
She's grown up fast.
Arimo arakura vuba.
Just like her mother.
Asa nka mama we.
I look like myself.
Njye ndisa ntago nsa na mama. Banza gatanazi nyina.
Listen, Martin.
Umva Martin.
I get you don't give a rat's ass about the Russians.
Banza utita ku barusi ibyo nikubwira.
Fine, but you realize those files
Gusa izo files barimo barashaka nawe urazizi.
probably exposed the scumbag who betrayed us in Kiev.
Uribuka byatugambaniye muri Kiev ko byageze muri Ukraine. Izo files abarasha barazishaka.
Network. I promise you, he will face a firing squad.
Niba aramukandi bakwiyongoje barazana firing squad. Baragwitana nabi.
Don't you want to know who's responsible for her mother's death?
Ese ntabwo ushaka kumenya umuntu wishe mama w'uyu mwana. Akana karabyuka.
Mother was in an accident.
Mama se ntabwo yishwe na accident.
An accident?
Accident, Trevor.
Car accident.
Iyo gongoje n'imodoka.
You didn't tell her?
Ntabwo wabwiye umwana wawe.
Right, that's enough.
Mva birahagije umwana ajya kumubwira ibya nyina. Kana karivumbura. Liz.
Think about the traitor, Martin.
Mane Martin, tekereza uwishe umugore wawe.
When you just love to encourage his disappearance.
Ahubwo shyiremo imbaraga kugira ngo nawe tumukure mu nzira.
Oh, I'm out now. Fuck off.
Navuye muri akazi mumve imbere musohoke mwende.
If there's ever anything you'd like to share with me,
Nimba hari icyo ushaka kunsangiza.
find me.
Uzakunsanga tu.
Again, Martin.
Ahubwo ngiza kongera kubona Martin. Witekerezeho. Nawe yakoraga MI6 ava mu kazi karacyamukurikirana. Kana karaje karahera se yarakabeje ko nyina agonzwe n'imodoka. Reese.
Tell you.
mwana wanjye mbabari nayo ngiye kubwira
Yes, honey, just
mukundwa wumva
listen to me, please.
nyumva sheri
You lied.
warambeshye papa
I was gonna tell you when you were old.
nashatse kubwira nomara gukura
Go away.
genda
Me alone.
ndeka njyenyine sheri mukundwa mwana wanjye
You lied to me.
kuki wambeshye warambeshye mugabo hano sasa akazi bakoramo n'indyankurye ibintu ngo mu butasi gutya bw'igihugu kuba uri wanted da noneho akarusho waranamenyekanye igihugu cyose ugiyemo icyamuzanye nta kindi yazanywe n'akazi ubukekwa ni akazi ukora ku ibanga wenda n'abo mukorana kandi n'uwo mukorana nawe ntaba amenya amakuru ya misiyo uriho tereka vande wenda mukuru wagutumye urugana gusezerana ribuka madamu ntabwo nkwizera urukundo zari zihari hey madamu yitwaga oroga hakuno madamu nimba rero barashe wa munsi filime itangira banayo utubunda twe sasa hakuno umugenzi washinzwe kurwanya terrorism muri Amerika nabo bashyushye counter terrorism pakira ibyangushye amapasiporo hafi aho amafaranga utwaye abitse mu telefoni
Need you to pack your stuff, Liz.
mwana wanjye pakira ibyangushye
What?
ngo
We're leaving.
tugomba kuva hano naho turimuka
I have to leave.
papa kuki tugomba kwimuka ariko
Dad,
papa
Do as I say, okay?
kora ibyo nkubwiye
I don't want to leave.
ntabwo nshaka kuva hano
Stay here.
nshaka kuguma hano
Why is it always about
kuki ntabwo mburana nawe wa kane pakira
Stuff.
pakira imyenda yawe kabwira n'abakana hargiye batari ngombwa gusobanurira umwana nahoze ndi maneko nahoze nkora ubutasi bw'igihugu kabona kumubwira ibyo numkwangiza umwanya kamukangamo gake ugabafata igikapu zana mu modoka nyuma ye baramukoma tayari kweye kabunda mudamu atangira kumupimiraho aramanitse mudamu yitonze avayo kazi ni indyankurye
Сюда его.
vuga ikintu siyamumuzane sha kato yamushyira hasi bamubwiye ngo abaruse ntibakwifatire izo fayiro uzazishaka ku ngufu sinzi zirimo iki n'ibyandiko
Wonderful.
byiza cyane
Perfect profile for a secret agent.
rwose ufite profile nziza yo gukora mu ibanga secret agent mudamu yitonze banza kongeza amafege navuga akura igipapiye ko arashyira murya muhereze fege maze urumva tori fege ibyo wigira ko agasuzuguro karashira
All right, slow down.
genda gake
Okay.
genda gake
Whatever you want to know.
icyo ushaka kumenya cyose
The files.
ndashaka ibyandiko. I want the files. izihe files uravuga ibiki?
What files?
izihe files yewe data we nyuno kuga
No, what files?
izihe files urazimenya bakubaza bana bahondagura intoki barazigorora.
Fuck.
Mwanda
Where does she hide them?
uriya mukobwa ibyandiko yabishe.
You've got the fucking files. I saw
azi ibyo byandiko mubwira
shoulder bag with my own fucking eyes.
barandaje barasana umuntu atwara igikapu.
You've got the files.
sinzi aho biri.
No, no.
hoya
No, no. Fuck.
uravuga aho files umukobwa yazibitse.
Fuck.
Mwanda
Maybe this refreshes your memory.
wende bingiye kwereka biratuma utangira gutekereza neza. Amwereka muri tablet agakobwa ke bagashimusi Kalis. Turashaka files katubwa aho nuza ziri gutes.
Okay.
Sawa
Okay.
sawa sawa.
Sasha knows where the files are.
Sasha wa mukobwa azaho files ziri.
I can get them for you.
Wenda namuneka nkazibashakira.
She thinks I'm a journalist.
Arabizi acheka ko ndi umunyamakuru.
I used to work with her father.
Nta nubwo ziri impamvu nakoranaga na se.
You know that, right?
Ibyo murabizi sibyo?
I can get you the files.
Sawa ndabashakira files zanyu.
You will get them.
Urazizana cyane. Ibyo birahagije. Yitonze avugira hakuno ari fandi mukuru bavugana.
Файлы и журналистка.
Arajugunya mu Kirusiya.
I want the files and the reporter.
Ndashaka files n'umunyamakuru ariwe Sasha.
Dead or alive.
Yaba ari umupfu cyangwa ari muzima.
I don't care.
Je don't care ntacyo bintwaye.
4 hours.
Ufite amasaha 20 ntabwo ni umunsi umwe. Kanangabanaga hakuno muri kaburimbo. No kibazi ivunye ko ari ebyiri. aza hakuno mu kamodoka ke amwajyana mu ijobu tangira kubona musimu wa madame inyuma ntago uzabivamo sezeranya tangira kubona ibidahari kumbe imodoka ye bakizaho ka GPS kamukuru ahantu hose agiye bamuri inyuma nabo barakurikira seta burenge sasa agakobwa barahurira he tanazi niyo kari mudamara nakana kana karajundamye ntacyo kazi ni kazi biva nebigana. Lisa,
your father is collecting a present for me.
Rwose iso hari Imana agiye kunzanira.
If you are nice,
niba uri umwana mwiza,
we will be nice.
natwe turakubera abantu beza. Buri hari umuntu ushaka kuba afite ikibazo n'umubyeyi wawe yahura n'umwana si umwana turapfiki bakibanira neza.
You can order all candy.
Watumiza amabombo, chips, fanta, ikintu cyose urumva ushaka.
I want a berry smoothie.
Ndashaka berry smoothie.
Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries.
Agatangira gutanga amakomande.
Spinach.
Принеси ей ягодный смузи.
Avuga mu cyusi ibyo bazanira akana.
Do you like cartoons?
Ukunda za katuni. Mudamu rwose nta mutima mu bikukana nta kibazo bafitanye. Nubwo avuye guhonagura intoki zase kazivuna ngo reko nta kibazo cy'akana. Tayari. Hano.
He's just parked at Shaftesbury Avenue, Soho, Maximilian Club.
Ara amabwata arimo aragenda ashakamo abantu. Hana umusore yose agiye nawe arimo arakurikirana. Yinjira muri bwate.
He's in.
Arinjiye.
Go check it out.
Sagera umurebe. Utavamo. Kumbe nawe yarabizwe yakurikiwe. nenda babwiraga ko nasohotse ndani haraho yaje baramukurikirana Yesu umuhanga afashe cyamukurikira agati mbwira abo babwiraga ko ninje muri bwate nimba kimwe amakuru nembaza yewe
Maxim around?
Zaga Maximum around.
Rosasco.
Uri mu ndubaza.
I'm telling Bully Boy's here to say.
Ubwira ngo Bully Boy ari hano kugira ngo bahuri. Undi mukire.
Wow, Bully Boy.
Bite Bully Boy.
Have a seat.
Icharira.
Cognac?
I'm good.
Urangwikeri undatimeze neza.
So, what brings you down here in the middle of the night?
Ngambwira iki kugenza mu ijoro hano niki? Muri aya masaha.
We okay to talk business?
Ubu twaba turi meze neza tuburyo twavuga business.
Yeah, sure.
Cyane. Ngira icyo ushaka. Komeza.
I got a fight coming up with this Armenian guy.
Haro mu Rwanda watangiye.
And the funny thing is that the Russians are talking about
bashaka umunye Armenia.
The Armenian guy kicking the bucket during the bout.
Ahubwo na munye Armenia wapfuye kandi yishwe n'abarusiya nshaka kugira icyo bimbwiraho.
Bucket kicking.
Bucket kicking.
Like you mean
uravuga ngo
die.
Yapfuye. Umunye Armenia bish abarusiya.
And there's a girl mixed up in this as well. Ukrainian girl, blonde hair, Phoenix tattoo.
Ndashaka ahubwo nagiye umukobwa w'umunye Ukraine ufite umusatsi wa blonde.
On her neck.
Ufite tatouage ya Phoenix hano ku ijosi. Haricyo umuziho.
Why should I know about her?
Use uwo mukobwa nabajya kumushaka amakuru umushaka iki?
Well, because I found this.
Hari ikintu nabonye uwo mukobwa yari afite mu ikofi. Kugira gutya. Ikarita business card y'uyu mugabo yari ifite n'umukobwa.
So?
None.
So I think it's about time he quit the bullshit, Maxim, don't you?
Ndashaka mwana tuvana ibintu by'umwana nabyo. Mukobwa ari.
I don't like your tone.
Nta ngundi buryo uvuga musore. Ubu ntangiye kuvuga neza.
Sit down.
Mwicare abakobwa mwe.
How the fuck did you get that in here?
Abo ndiyo mundaje gute muri bwate yanjye.
Came to see you, didn't she?
Na iyi mukobwa yaje kureba sibyo?
That's how she found me.
Uko yaje kureba nanjye ko nanjye yambonye.
You are a dead man walking.
Mwana uri umupfu ugenda, you are dead man walking. Uri umurambo wigendera. Kuramo telefoni yawe. Mereza phone yawe.
You can phone out. I'm not going to ask you again, do it?
Simbi kubaza ahubwo ndakuraza mereza telefoni yawe. Mereza isimu yawe. Umugabo akandakuru ka buto munsi y'imeza banza huruje. Ka alarm. Baba unsa. Tayari. Agitega umupagasi. Kira mwivugana na aragiye. Tayari telefoni yashaka y'umugabo arayitangirana. Uyu nawe boy kanajya heza. Nase ndore. Basasi ndani. Baze ndore. Hey. Hey. Filimi daw. Mapagasi. Sasu. Jimbere. Pima nabi. Nawa gusoza. Oh. Peter Speed. Je, data we. Soka muri bwata ci inyuma. Natangira. Chama mu rwagati. Inja muri kabarangari yiwe.
He's in close but can't get a punch in.
Sasa hakuna kana katangiye kureba boxing karabikunda ibintu byo kurwana.
Ties his opponent's arms and pushes him back at the same time.
Erega nabi igiye kureba umuntu ibutsinde hari abantu birebera.
On the ropes.
No buryo aba rwose ataragwana adahunga imigozi.
Especially Sean Spence.
Uzare umurwanyi yitwa Sean Spence. Kana kazi n'indwanyi. Chemeka telefoni hakuno. Tangira kuraga kobwa kaba kari nimero yakamaze kuyibona.
You think this Smoking Joe will win?
Nese Smoking Joe uraceka ari butsinde.
Oh yeah.
Cyane.
I'd put cash on it.
Nge namushetera.
To 30 odds at least.
Kuri 30 ariko yatsinda.
Goes.
Uratabikoze se.
That hurt.
Birabaza.
What did I tell you?
Nakwereke.
Money on.
Iyo bafite amafaranga mu sheti. Kana karaha.
You put money?
Usheta amafaranga urusimbi. Mudamu yarumiwe. Kana mugenzi ke byarakababaje ko we nase. Anu yagiye afata buru wakeka wese ahambira. Aza mu kindi cya apartment. ingufuri isetsa arayisetsa kugera hano yinjiye adushe iri ne persone pa nta muntu uriyo kugendera ubusa kasasha nakabona nyuma ye ihangane ndi hano kugufasha.
Father was my friend.
Musari inshuti yanjye.
Let the same thing happen to you.
Icyo nyene ntabwo nshaka ibyabaye kuri so nawe byakubaho.
Give me your phone.
Ba telefone yawe kubera
How do you think I found you?
iyo telefone yatumye menya ahantu herereye. Arayimena.
Safe.
Fataka iyi niyo yizewe.
You do know what we're up against, right?
Ntabwo uzi ibyo hanganye nabyo.
They don't scare me.
Ntabwo bakinkanga. Kiyagaze.
We want those files published.
Ndashaka ziriya files kuzishyira ku karubanda nakanyamakuru kazi. Bintu Burusiya bwari buri muri byo nshaka kwama gushyira ku karubanda. Nshaka kwihorera.
And all the others.
N'abandi bose bari hanze baye mu kidata n'amatabazi.
I found his logbook.
Nabonye igitabo cye.
It was about a meeting with a woman he called Red Star.
Yari afite gahunda yo kujya guhura n'umudamu witwaga Red Star.
Red Star had collected evidence of a chemical weapons program.
Ati Red Star amaze kubona amakuru y'ibisasu bya kirimu cyangwa se chemical weapons, ibisasu byo mu bwoko buri chimique abarusiya bari program yo kubikora.
She had gotten a hold of the formula from
Yari afite na formula yagomba guha umuntu witwaga Novichok.
She even had samples of it.
Yari afite na sample.
Your father didn't tell me that.
Ibyo ntabwo so yari ko yabimbwiye.
Red Star thought it was too risky to bring the files to the meeting. So
Red Star yari afite ubwoko kuba yaza mu nama.
put them in the bank.
Arangije afata izo nzandiko zose azishyira muri bank.
She put them in a bank.
Yabishyize muri bank ibyo byandiko.
Yes.
Cyane.
Where is this bank?
Iyo bank se yabiriye Sasha.
I'm the only one who knows.
Umuntu hazi n'umwe. Njye nyenyine.
The address of the bank was in his logbook.
Ati kandi ikindi address z'iyo bank zari muri logbook y'uwo mudamu.
I burned it.
Ariko na icyo gitabo nagitwitse maze kumenya address yariyo. Atangira kwibuka. Umunsi barasa ise w'uyu mukobwa na Red Star. Agera akandiko yarabahaye.
Very smart.
Byiza cyane.
I need your help to get the code.
Ahubwo nyene ntuza ubufasha bwawe kugira ngo mbone code. Code singura ku foro yawe yabitse iki ayo mabanga. Ariko bank yo ndayizi. Kumbe hano araho yaje. Bana imfunguzo nta gukinguza neza.
Fuck's sake.
Binekera
While on duty.
wewe wazize iki? Kumbe arabo yabanje gutera. Maniga baramuhamagara.
Let it ring.
Yireke komeza isoni.
Turn around. Don't you look.
Hindukira aho ntunandebe.
Let me see your hands.
Kamona kana amaboko yawe.
Who are you?
Urindi.
Don't you worry about
Byo
that.
ntubigire ikibazo.
Log into the CIA system.
Injira muri system ya CIA.
Listen, we're just a trading company.
Ariko turi company
I don't
y'ubucuruzi.
know what you think.
You don't want me to block.
Uracheka nazo uri warwana we.
It's nice. Monitor. I do as you.
Wowe nabezi kuri hack injira muri system ya CIA. Hackinga CIA. Gishyiraho ijisho. Kinjira muri system.
Whoa.
Baretse urakora ibiki?
I know your game.
Ndabizi imikino yawe.
You got a real password and a fake one.
Shyiramo password ya nyayo atari ya fake.
Yes, something.
Cyangwa se isasu rice mu mutwe wawe. Shyiramo ya nyayo gisiba ibya mbere. Shyiramo password yinjira muri nuza za CIA.
Operation Red Star.
Usachinga operation yitwaga Red Star.
See everything you got.
Unyereka amakuru iyo operation amakuru CIA ifite. Kureba muri operation n'uyu musore arimo Martin.
Keep going. 12 years ago, Kiev.
Jya mu makuru y'imyaka 12 ashize muri Kiev. Amakuru CIA ifite. Atangira kubona ari kumwe na muzehe Igoro. Bari muri Kiev, muri Ukraine. Uyu musore kumwe na madamu. Nawe se yamugendagaho. Tangira kubona ahantu barasiwe. Na Red Star bamurasa.
There's a handwritten note.
Uzikaninga neza akaboko. Mukobwa kirabona ari n'imodoka iparika. Telefoni.
Evan just pulled up outside.
Umva ari imodoka iparitse hanze. Hari abagabo bagiye kwinjira bafite imbunda. Kuri kamera barimo barabareba.
It's encrypted. I don't have access.
Ya na access mfite irafunze.
Print it.
printing ibyo papuro biprinting ibyo foto biprinting anagena mbyigeho kumbe abandi baje
Is it printing or not?
printing anona ndaje boss ndaje sasa makuru mudamu yari afite yandi za file birimo ni chemical weapons abarusi bari barimo barakora ashaka kuzishyira kwa rubanda bicwa batari publishing kuko arashaka gusoza ibyo se yaratangiye nawe yari umunyamakuru
on the back wall.
umuryango we banguriye duca inyuma.
Where is it?
Escape route. Bano nabo baje buriya bahaka usanga korera ahantu mu gihe ni hasa nabi utanaceka ntahaka wasanga ari mu nzu nzima never babaza akazi bakora. Martin bitonze.
What's going on?
Nibiki bijambere?
Got a hostage here.
Hano mfite imbohe.
Martin, let's talk about this, shall we?
Martin, reka tubiganire usibyo.
Come on, if you have a gun, just put it down.
Nimbona afite nimbona ishyira hasi.
You hear me?
Hatagira umuntu ukomereka.
Martin?
Nasubiza.
Martin, I'm coming in.
Martin ndaje wana. Avayo. Mushuti Trevor. Kugera ha.
Down. Let's go.
Mwana munya babiri mucaha mujye mujyasi. Bandi binjira aho yasohokeye. Bashaka nigagiye kare. Ndani mu kizu. Kugera hano asohoka yitonze nk'umunyabwenge yahakinguye yibika mu kabati. Haguruka witonze ereza imbunda natindamo mbunda icyo gikoresho gusa yitwaza yitsimba hakuno ko twumva boss aguyera bagabo baragigira bagabo nta numwe wumva kamwihambiraho byanyabyo tayari bagabo nta numwe wumva mugeri bagabo nta numwe uva kwizima kagabo kamubereye ibamba kamubereye amenyo ya ruguru kagabo ni koroshe ni kumva barahuragurana nawe kava kwizima nako Scotty byanze maze ndore agafata gatera umunigo karamwirenza parika nabi paka hakuno igice cya mbere kirarangiye bajya muri turu ya kabiri na match tagira ibice round ya kabiri byanyabyo agabo karamufata
Jig's up, Martin.
Martin rekeragezo niyumva nisunika bata mu kirahure tayari paka hasi babarika nabi Martin nawe yumva nabi maze ndore umugabo urahari yahura tayari kagabo kari kamwambiriyeho pakageze hasi hagurutse Trevor kujyana n'abasirikare bandi yacitse kare ko watinze twara funga umunwa kaza karabaza ubusa baratangira kugera no mpagasi we yakarenze kare mbaraga si ibirayi kamwihambiriyeho birangira gapfuye nibwatinze tugaruka muri Russia Moscow Kremlin abarusiya bataye umutwe baziko zira file aho zigira ku karubanda.
Прошло 10 часов.
Tangira kuvuga ikirusiya. Fande mukuru ni utanga amabwiriza.
Да, я все выполню.
Ibyandiko bingeraho ndabamenyesha.
You're telling me MI6, CIA, they're all after us?
Ase umva nkubaze ko ndeba MI6 CIA bose ari kudukurikirana cyazo niki.
It's not gonna make it, son.
Umva ibyo ntabwo bindeba. Sasa umugabo ura nta hantu ho gutura no kujya gushaka ikizu gishaje ukitsimbamo. Urwandiko Red Star bamurasha afite nirwo ashaka kubanza kumenya code ifungura vault ni iyi.
You're not like any reporter I've ever met.
Hako nta gusa nk'umunyamakuru wa leta. Hawo kazi ko kari kumwe na maneko.
Isn't that what your father said?
Gutabara abaturage nicyo nshoboye. Nibyo mpamvu nakoranaga naso. Kako karana agatesi. Bori mukanya baramweza akavido k'umukobwa we. Kureba neza igipapuro umusore ya printinze. Yaje printing ibintu bitagaragara neza. Kibazo cyariko.
They've changed the encryption.
Uburyo yaje printinze ntabwo kinagaragara neza. Akiraho amamodoka aracyaparika. Ibazo nawe MI6 ubutasi bw'abongereza, CIA ubw'abanyamerika bose bari kagabo kamwe. Martin.
Surrounded.
Wazengurutswe.
Out with your hands above your head.
Amaboko tuyabona bitabaye ibyo turakoresha imbaraga.
Final warning, Martin.
Gasopo ya nyuma. Martin. Martin avaye yamanitse amaboko.
Good. Very good.
Yeza cyane. Koze neza.
Forward.
Egera imbere. Move forward. Kwegera imbere.
Slowly.
Witonze gake gake. Sasa baje amufatiye imbunda. Wa mukobwa Sasha.
Guns down.
Bwira abagabo babashyira imbunda hasi.
Do as I say or I'll kill you.
Kora ibyo mvuga cyangwa mwice.
Files you're looking for are in the bank.
Ibyandiko urimo urashaka files ziri muri bank.
Martin has the code to the wall.
Martin afite code ifungura nuza volte na cyangwa se kufure foro.
On his head.
Kandi mbone muri ku mutwe.
He's the only one who knows it.
Ati ni uzi yo code ifungura vault.
Now you tell me.
None hitamo.
Shall I blow his brains out?
Meno ubwonko bwe cyangwa.
My heart there, Sasha.
Sasha ntabwo rwose wankanga.
Am I?
Kandi ikindi.
Like Trevor.
Trevor bikore. Ushyira imbunda hasi.
Tell them to put their guns down.
Babwire bashyira imbunda hasi.
Now.
Nona.
Come on, please.
Ndakwinginze. Ukobwa bana nibumva. Nabondo ya numwe yambirizi.
I'm the only one who knows the location of the bank.
Sasa umugabo wabanje kubanza kwemera ko gifite code usibye n'ikindi cya kabiri. Ni cya uzi aho bank iri.
Calm down.
Tuza muko. Ndirasa nigize aho bank iri. Sasa hanze nanga ari nk'inaha bafite ububanke bubiri butatu. Usanga ari bank y'isibo, impuza sibo, amabanke nk'ijana mu gace kamwe. Kumenya bank umudamu yayishemo amabanga y'uburusi buryo abakora ibisasu bya kirimbuzi. N'uyu mukobwa uzi bank yariyo. Ndirasa. Ndirasa amabanga aje hanze. Cyangwa burire rimwe.
Okay.
Baretse rimwe ngaho twumvikane ntacyo. Kumvikane mama n'imbunda. Sasa abarusiya baratuza ari ukuye mukobwa abahaye files zigeza muri UN nabo baraburize batambuka bitonze nta gahunda yo kwirasa kari gafite.
Told you, he wants those files more than anything.
Turashaka ziriya files ko byagenda kose. Nakunu. Sasa hakaye bamurakare wakigoryiwe kanguka.
What did he want?
Gashaka giki?
You guys seem to know each other pretty well.
Bisa nkaho we n'abari abagabo mwese mwari muziranye. Onde? Mwenyine imikino Martin. Ibyo mwavugaga byose nabyumvaga. Bafungura kuno.
He said it was a
machine
handwritten note.
Ibyari byo byose karakane ko garekandikijwe n'intoki.
Yellow paper.
Karaga papuro k'umutuku umuhondo.
I could only print the encrypted version.
Ntabwo namaye encrypted version agapapuro kagaragara neza.
I'm sure you got a lot of questions, Sasha.
Uri murambaza ibibazo byinshi kandi ibibazo twese turabihuje.
The encryption last updated.
No, amezi atandatu iri kwa encrypting ari yari machine amezi atandatu ashize.
Doesn't have what he was looking for.
Mbanzi byo ashaka atabibonye.
Look, believe me, I'm as scared as you are.
Umva mukonyiza nayo mfite ubwoba nkawe. Nge nta bwoba mfite.
Did anyone ever follow up on this?
hari umuntu ugeze akurikirana ibi ngibi
But the number's not registered to any network.
iyi namba uburyo nako iyi file uburyo savinze ntabwo namba iri registered kuri network ntabwo wapfa kubona ibiriho.
Hey mate, fancy a joyride?
Boye mukomeze mu ryoherwa no gutwara. Kumbe dore ya mbare bashakaga ifungura vault kufure 4
Print it out.
ga printing witonze.
What do we do now?
None dukora iki?
Got a credit card?
Yes.
Ufite credit card cyane?
Get it out.
Yivaneyo.
Time to set it.
Fate munda kurayo ibikumwara yinaga. Toje dupanga gatego.
It's got the code to the vault. So let's
Trevor byanga byakunda afite vault code za vault.
to the honeypot.
Araza gushyira ajya kuri bank.
Give me status.
Mereza status. Ari hafa. Bavayo bose barimo barashaka gabo kamwe. Martin niwe kibazo.
We've lost them.
Twamubuze. Sasa kugira ngo bamenye banki nuko baba bafite kana gakobwa ka Sasha kandi kacitse. Gonga umuntu hano kuri airport ku kibuga cy'indege. Hangane madam.
Where was going, was I?
Ihangane rwose ntabwo ari nangemeje kugonga. Sasha nawe ari hakuno.
It's British.
Passport nibye ni yabongereza. Genda ugerageze uhindure use nka nyiri passport abari koresha wambuka.
We got a hit.
Arebyo mbonye hakuno.
Just booked 2 tickets to Moscow.
Sasha yafashe itike y'indege imujyana muri Moscow.
The hotel in the city center.
Hotel bari buruhukireho iri mu gihe hagati.
They're not going to Moscow.
Ntago bajya muri Moscow nabo sabaswa. Martin nawe umuswa itajya muri Moscow azi yuko Barcelona bamushaka.
Or within a 100-mile radius for a passenger named
Aho intambara yabereye ushaka miles zitarenga ijana. Ikibuga cy'indege kiri aho ngaho ushake Sasha Stepanenko nimba yakatije itike y'indege cyangwa gari ya moshi.
Think he traveled under his own name?
Ntabwo bapfa kugendera ku mazina ye. Boretse gato.
Me all the security camera footage from.
Nkuru za kamera zose ziri hafi n'imbuga by'indege biri hano mu Bwongereza. Tugende turi amashusho yabyo. Kumbe hano mu Rusiya akazi. Akana yagafashe neza nkake. Kana ntacyo bapfa niba se afitanye ibibazo.
Lios.
Akantu ko ari keza nakawe. Navuga gakomo. Mudaho navuga menshi. Kana karajunjama. Sasa bageze hakuno Sasha bya bisatsi agenda kaboha. Bitatu waje atangira kubisiba. Passport agiye kugenderaho ni y'umwongereza kandi we no muri Ukraine.
It's one of a group of nerve agents known as Novichok.
I hope you have a good news for me.
Ndakeka mfite amakuru meza.
Files there.
Umva files ndazifite. Ahubwo nkeneye igihe kindi kirenze.
Listen, if you're trying to trick me,
Nugerageza kunzanaho ubugoryi. Ni Tatiana.
you understand me?
Uranyumva neza uko biri bugende.
Don't trick anyone here, okay?
Ibi ibyandiko mushaka biri muri Kiev muri Ukraine. Sasha ni ugiye kunjyana aho biri. Turi hafi yo kugerayo.
How do I know this?
Nabyemera gute ko ariko kuri.
But you want the files on?
Urashaka files cyane azushaka. Mudamu nawe yashimusa akana ke. Banza usuhuze so. Akana ni kazi impamvu uyu mudamu agafite kazi kari nka mwene wabo. Bite mukundwa. Meze neza.
How you doing?
Meze ute?
Okay, I guess.
Papa meze neza.
Having a pedicure.
Bari kunkorera inzara.
Come. That's enough.
Uraza birahagije.
I want to speak to him more.
Ndashaka kuvugana na papa.
This is me.
Arankumbuye. Yamaze. Urudamu rugwica nakana kazi kari umuntu mwiza.
He does.
Naho kazi ko sari kazi k'indyankurye.
You have no children, do you?
Hasi ufite abana. Ko nta mutima ugira.
If you were a mother, you wouldn't do this.
Iyo buri umubyeyi ntabwo wakabaye nkorera nk'ibi.
You think you know me?
Aho warakeye kuzi wacyana we. Mudamu atangira guhinduka. Kana kararyama.
So bet they'd hate you.
Iyo afite n'abana bakabaye bakwanga. Nta mubyeyi ubwira gutyo umuntu w'umwana.
You think you are an intelligent girl?
Aho akana ucyaka ufite ubwenge kurusha abantu baraha.
Good. Let me tell you a story about your father and your mother.
Ubundi kamubwire wakubwira inkuru ya so na nyoko. Nikazi nyina ese yakabwiye ko yishwe n'imodoka. Uzi ibyo so yakoze?
Your father told her he was a journalist.
Iso yabeshye nyoko ko yari umunyamakuru.
He pretended to love her.
Yigize nk'akunda nyoko.
But he was really spoiled.
Usibye ko so yari maneko.
So my question is intelligent.
Ikibazo ni kimwe wa mukobwa wigira umuhanga.
What are you for him?
Kuki iso utamaza witonze impamvu uko nyako yapfuye nta accident cyangwa bamaneye ko abari abadahamana yakwica umugore akavuga buryo cy'umugore yapfiriye mu manuka.
I was born out of love. He told.
Navutse kugurukundo papa yakundaga mama wamaze ibyo nibihago bitureba.
Late for the fight.
Indege ahubwo iraza kudusiga.
Bingo, they're on a flight to Kiev.
Bashaka bagiye muri Kiev, muri Ukraine.
All right.
Kuri airport barabascanning ngani ifoto yabo barayibona. Fata indege barerekera.
Ask for Colonel Zelenko. Send him that picture.
Ati amagara Colonel Zelenko umenye umuhereza amafoto umubwire ngaho bagera muri Kiev ku kibuga cy'indege. Abacunga akirikare. Indege barerekera. Tayari. Banu ko bakageze muri Kiev kuri airport.
Вітаю.
Brazil airport Kiev Ukraine. Kumbe hana ababaneka nabo barahari. Bivuze ngo bajya hose barabakurikirana. Bitonze. Kiev airport. Yeah. Virus zabaye indyankurye. Bete nyango ekenye. Tayari. Bageze muri Ukraine ntago biramera neza. Bageze hano aho bakodesheje kurara. Batabajya wabo umukobwa.
Something wrong?
Ari ikibazo?
I haven't been here since he died.
Kuva data yapfa sinagarutse muri iyi nzu. Baje wabo agakobwa ka Sasha. Inzu yatoye uruhumbu.
We ended our chemical weapons program in 19...
Sasa hakuno ya chemical program yoko intwaro za kirimbuzi y'Abarusiya. Martin ndeba hakuno hari ama video se yagiye asiga nawe abivugaho nawe yari umunyamakuru ashaka kubishyira kwa rubanda.
And naturally we want to know the truth.
Turashaka kuba twamenya ukuri. Uburusiya nibwo buri kora ibisasu bya kirimbuzi nka za atomic bombs n'ibindi. Akenshi amakosa yakira ku banyamerika ariko na Russia nasiyo yoroshye.
You remind me of my father.
Unyibutsa data. Mugabo no mudahamba na business yikorera numbaunsa. Yagiye mu bounce ahunze CIA na MI6. So ari umugabo ufite umutima ukomeye. Sibyo ko nawe yari stubborn yari umunyakavuyo. Hamenda kumera nkawe. Navugisha ukuri. Oya ndavugisha umuntu. Nese kucyo avuye muri Kiev. Akunda kuvuga amateka ye. Hari umuntu nabuze. Hari umuntu yapfushije umugore. Niyasubiza.
She died.
Yarapfuye se. Nashaka imwibutsa umugore we.
Never get personal involved.
Sasa yarafite umugore akunda kumbwira ati niba uri mu kazi akari kose Martin. Ikintu cyatuma usubira inyuma cyangwa ugatsindwa misiyo zose waburiwe. Ntukagire umuntu ubwira ibyawe byose. Nako umugore akunda kumubwira misiyo yose ugiyemo mu kazi. Ujye uvuga bike bitewe n'ibyo ugiye gukora. Kana kari hakuru umudamu yakabwiye amagambo agashengura umutima ati iso yari maneye ko abeshye nyoko ari umunyamakuru. Iso akubeshya ko nyoko yapfiriye mu mpanuka. Akana kajunjanye kandi bari amanye neza. Agahahira akagaburira birirwa kuri katuni bareba. Ako mama byamugendekeye bite?
Forget about that.
Ibyo byibagirwe sha.
No. Tell me, I want to know.
Bwira ndashaka kubimenya.
I can't tell you.
Ntago nakubwira. Uzabaze so ikishe nyoko.
Tell me.
Wambwiye ariko. Karamuhatiriza.
She was in dangerous situation.
Mama yaraye muri situation mbi.
Father tried to save her.
Yesu yagerageje kumutabara.
She got hit.
Ariko yaje kuraswa. Kumurasa cyangwa?
By a bullet.
Isasu.
Who did it?
Ninde abikoze? ni papa cyangwa
Did he?
ni papa niwe barasiye mama.
It was an accident.
Byari impanuka wa mwana we. Ubwo niba uri umuntu mukuru nawe tubyumva. Akana ati papa nawe warashe mama toya. Ati byari impanuka gusa tu. Ariko ni isasu ryamwishe. Uyu nawe hakuno ntaryama. Kaza rero ni ndyankurye. Kasasha nako kigize ngo ni ka debane ngo ibyo data atashyize ku karubanda paka publishing. Bari muri Kiev. Tayari. Siko mbona hasa neza ejo bundi numvaga ngo amasasa ameze nabi. Ya filime birancanga. Tayari. Mukireka zavayo nakana zikakakara ariyo turufu yo kugira ngo abone za file. Nawe narangiza yitunire ku barusiya. Yashaka byose bibone. Baramuhamagara buri kanya ntaryama ntatuza. Kuryama ni mu ntebe.
Sorry, can't get to the phone right now, but please.
Nago navuga no namusiga ubutumwa bugufi.
Kiev, waiting for your call.
Ni muri Kiev nanjye negeje kumamagara. Sasa umudamu yateze indege agerayo nakana ki. Mwambwiye ko mwinjiye muri Kiev nanjye niho ndi. Nibwatinze Sasha n'umugabo bagomba kujya he kuri bank. Tayari.
So far, so good.
Reba inyuma twahageze. Agatego nakandi. Baracyakurikiwe.
Ready for this?
Uriteguye? Gakobwa nkarashaka gutamaza Uburusiya kabuteze UN. Bano bafite program yo gukora chemical weapons. Sibije data ngo nuko ari umunyamakuru ajya kuyashaka. Nanjye kaze bashire ku karubanda. Kenja muri bank.
Доброго дня. Чим можу допомогти?
Baravuga ikinye Ukraine.
Свого сейфу.
Ваші документи, будь ласка.
Arajugunya atanga passport n'ibyangombwa.
Одну хвилинку.
Kaze nguhamagarire.
Доброго дня, пані Степаненко.
Tayari. Bitonze. Ukobwa muri bank. Uyu nawe hakuno.
Доброго ранку.
Umukobwa bank arayizi neza. Ariko ikibazo ni code zifungura vault.
Доброго ранку, відчиніть нам, будь ласка.
Kingura over. Yakubwe bafite bank nka miliyoni mu gace kamwe. Barascaninga. Benjamin Dani. Bank komeye cyane. Files bagomba guha UN ziraha. Moko.
Будете номер вашого сейфу?
Hano nugomba gushyiramo code kugira ngo
Буду вам заважати?
safe irimo ayo mabanga yanyu mushaka n'ibintu byanyu niba ari zahabu nimba ari diyama nimba ari korota cyangwa gasegereti yifungure. Barangije begekaho ukobwa sigaramo indani.
On the left after the security gates.
Atangira kurangira amaniga uri hanze ko byifashe.
Looks like the bait works. Stay where you are.
Kumbe wa mugabo Trevor yagiye azana ingabo nyinshi.
Щось сталося?
Baravuga ikinye Ukraine.
Секретарію, проведіть мене.
Так, звичайно. Ідіть за мною.
Reka nta kibazo namwe mwemererwe kwinjira. Kumbe maniga nawe yinjiramo abatunguye. Hagarara. Secretary nakimunda ku ngufu. Nagweza arasaka no kumuriro hajya uza alarm. sasa hano abaturage bahita bapanikinga bakumva ko byanga byakunda hari ikibazo muri banka tujyana kuri vault ibyandiko bibitse abaturage dore ngo sasa barasohoka hano numenye usohoka n'uwinjiye hakuno kuri vault Trevor azana n'abandi umukobwa yagezemo indani tujyemo indani kumbe Trevor n'umuhanga kiraho Trevor narimbizi kuri bupanike yarafite code uyafite agakobwa watazi ngo banka ni yiyi agateza umukobwa sasa nawe shyiramo aho ngaho code paka tubonye files abandi ubarase nibagerageza kwinjira banka manager ku ruhande Trevor narimbizi y'ukuri bwiza nawe ubwawe shyiramo code hariya
You give me too much credit.
mwana uwo mfite umwenda ndakurasa nta mikino iraho utanza naho santima
Quick trade with the Russians.
urashaka kugurana n'abarusiya se cyangwa
A little revenge on your former employer.
cyangwa ushaka guhorera wahoze ari boss wawe shyiramo coordinates ufungure vault
Friend, she recruited you to the people's cause.
tini na girlfriend na babanje kodesha abantu baje guteza ibibazo
Look, enough of your bullshit. Just
mwana wimbwira umwana kingura vuba just open it yitonze kabati karakinguka nta muntu ashaka kwica hari ugufata hano files ziri butamaza abarusi ugasanga nazo sizo
Wouldn't do that if I were you.
ntago nakagafunguye yomba ni wowe wasanga ari agatego bitekerezeho muko
Red Star was FSB.
abari aba FSB nabo ntago ari abo kwizerwa bari aho ngaho
You wanted to fuck us over.
banstekereza kabiri muko
There's Novichok inside.
harimo Novichok indani ko gafunguye Sasha
we good?
wabibonye sasa za chemical weapons abarusiya bari bafite sample ubwo bayifite nukuiteza UN
Fucking kill him!
ndamwica cyamusubira inyuma binjira indani
Death warrant, man.
mani wisinye warrant y'urupfu
I have a hard on for you.
agency yose igiye kurikirana
Chances. Hey,
yewe Sasha uramwizera uyu mugabo
like your father did? You know, 12 years.
mwateceka aho ngaho se nyine byo kuvuga imyaka 12 nyuka na se w'uyu mukobwa afata sample ya za chemical weapons arayizamukana tayari kugera aha ni ugushaka aho bacikira ku nyubako hejuru dora abasirikare ngo barimena bitonze baca hakuno kumanuka vuba vuba mugabo arashaka izi sample kujya tabara kana ke umukobwa nawe arashaka guhorera se abishyira ku itangazamakuru adagutamaza abarusiya barasa kuboga ariko ntabyumva nshaka gutabara umwana we tayari hano nta guhagarara mu mayira cana kabiri tike baratangira polisi nayo yafatiyeho hano ibyo kuvuga ngo ucuruza inyanya ku muhanda bareba umukobwa ni umunya-Ukraine arashaka gutamaza bene Putin uburyo bakora chemical weapons ibyo nibyo batumva neza habura gato polisi ubumodoka burahendutse nibashaka bagonge muzagura izindi baratangira hey Ukraine arasa neza ntago ari imwe mu ntambara ukobwa arangije asanga umusinzi wasindiye ku muhanda avanayo kanyanga nakobotse gato ntabirenze
Ukrainian medicine. Best there is.
hano hari umuti w'abanye Ukraine ukimena kanyanga aho bakurashe tayari mwambura imbunda sasa umukobwa ne nta muntu yizera sasa akora ibiki nawe uri umwe muri bo
I can explain.
nagusobanurira utava huri
I'll shoot you.
If you shoot,
wimbeshya nawe
you need to kill my daughter too.
umva singubwiza ukuri ni natanga ibyandiko nanjye bari cu umwana wanjye
The Russians have got her.
abarusiya bamfitiye umwana niyo mpamvu ngomba gufata ibyandiko so yabishije nanjye nkabibahereza
Don't move.
utava huri
You're full of shit.
Nawe uri umuswa gusa uri ko kuri umva muko
I need those files, okay?
shaka izo files.
My daughter's life depends on it.
Ubuzima bw'umwana wanjye buri kuri izo file.
I want to expose the people that killed your father, and I get that.
Nanjye rwaye ndashaka gushyira abahanza abishe so.
I really do.
Ndabishaka pe gutamaza bishe so.
But do the ends justify the means?
Ariko n'ubu niyo nabatamaza umwana wanjye n'umupfu. N'icyatuma nkwizeye. Banza wibaze.
Would your father sacrifice the life of a little girl?
Iso yatanga akana gato ngo bakice. Wimwire data karamuhereza byanyabyo. Umukobwa nawe nta muntu yizeye. Umukobwa we misiyo yiwe no kugira ngo atamazi iki abishe se. Bamuhora amabanga y'Uburusiya yari afite ya chemical weapons bari mu baracura. Ubu narashaka gutabara akana ke. Sasha nimba agiye kubitanga he? Ni akanyamakuru kazi. Kuko arashaka kubishyira kuri televiziyo, YouTube, ahantu nkaho. Buri kanya wewe n'ibibazo. Yibuka umugore amubwira ati akazi kose cyangwa misi uzajyamo ntukagira umuntu witeza mukururane cyane umubwira ibyawe byose. Ujye uvuga rimwe ku ijana. Buri kanya bamurota. Iyo uvuze ibyawe byose nibyo bituma kenshi unatsindwa. Kandi ibyo nibyo tudashaka sheri. Uruka we n'ibibazo. Genda byibuka ibyo madamu yamubwiraga. Nimba kapimye mu gituza. Telefone iraca vibrating hano. Tatiana. Wa murusi akazi ufite umwana we.
Yeah.
Ego. Martin.
You have what I want?
Ufite ibyo nagusabye?
Yeah.
Cyane. Kiriza.
Yeah, I've got what you want.
Ibyo ushaka rwose ndabifite.
Files and reporter?
Ndashaka izo files n'uriya munyamakuru kazi.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to talk to Lisa.
Ndashaka kuvugana n'umwana wanjye Lisa.
Here, talk to your father.
Akira so muvugane.
Dad.
Papa. Nameze neza afite isasu. Uraza ryari kuntura. Ntazi ko biri bukunde.
I love you, sweetheart.
Ndagukunda mwana wanjye. Ya magambo y'abapfu.
Dad, you sound...
Papa ko numva ijwi ryawe ryahindutse. Kuvuga ibintu nasanzwe numva uvuga. Buri munsi abagashira igakurasa. Mwana ntazibe guko ngukunda gusa. Birirwaga mu rugaga bwa itoza imbunda. Papa ko numva usari kumangayikisha.
All right, Martin.
Sa Martin. Ure saa yine.
Funny games.
Abindi. Yahindutse kaboko. Bwa mbere isasu ryamutwitse bamupimye iryanyaryo. Tayari. Arazibamba zerekeza ntazi Sasha yerekeje. Ntazi ari bukura kana ke. Gusa kidamu cyamubwiye ko cyageze muri Kiev. Maze ndore. Amagara hakuno mushuti. Bakoraga muri MI6.
Ruined my day.
Abantu ushaka kunyangiriza umunsi.
Trevor, I need your help.
Trevor, nkeneye ubufasha bwawe.
Martin Baxter asking.
Martin, urimo uranya kubufasha?
This is a treat.
Umva bafitiye umwana. Abarusiya bafitiye umwana Angelisa kandi baramwica. Saa yine za nijoro baranshaka cyangwa umwana wanjye apfe.
Where's the case?
Case iri. Varisi. Mukobwa ndabyumva ubwo yakugambaniye, sibyo?
Now you want me to help you get it back?
No, nashaka ngufashe kujya wongera umuntu ya Varisi. Bya bindi byo gusaba uwimye. Yahoraga bizamuraho ba MI6. Abakatira.
Deal still on the table.
Ndeboni gahunda ziganira mwicaranye n'umuntu. Niko uko dukina imikino nawe urabizi. Ahubwo mbwira ahantu uri.
Martin.
Martin. Telefone yayikuyeho kare. hari akazi Mr. Kabari indyankurye baguhemba neza ari kuvuga ati ndayarya ejo nanya ngaruka.
Miss,
Madam,
you got a tracking device installed in your vehicle.
ari rwose nshaka mumfashe imashini zanyu. Ari imodoka nagize tracking device. Tereka naye security genda gace. Shaka kwaka iyo modoka umbwira ahantu iri.
Alison Jane Tynan.
It parked at пассажирской descent.
Ay, tamubwira address irafi na umuhanda gari ya moshi. Imodoka arabizwe arimo cya tracking device. Arerekera baramugonga se cyarabyumva. Ubuzima bwa kana buri mu byago nigashaka gutabara. Hakuno ni cyari ko se noneho. Baturage ni benshi n'urujya n'uruza rw'abantu. Gize gutya bonaka kobwa gafite imisatsi iri blonde arakurikira. Mwegere kurande ntambuke. Sasha ariko se muramora iki sanga siwe. Abana imisatsi irasariga. Ndamenya mukura he. Kureba gutya kabona hakurya gategereje gari ya moshi n'igikapu. Kabona maniga ari inyuma yako karatangira ntabyo nguha. Karambukira nyuma ya gari ya moshi. Mugabo urana afite ibibazo. Karamanuka karangaye kamanuka ku mesikariye nabi wakagurya agakubita umunigo utanza nahise seme genda gake teteka nunapfe muri silence teteka umbabarire hama hamwe tuze karasinzira bareka kadepoza hakuno banayo dukoresho twibanze abana nayo case. Amen. Fata ingwanguruzo y'abandi abariyo yiba bakwa ari butabara umwana we.
You've done well, Martin.
Wakoze neza Martin.
You've used all your skills to get what we want.
Wakoresha ubushobozi bwawe n'ububasha kugira ngo tubone ibyo dushaka. Kana nako bagahambiriye hakuno.
Thanks for the reporter.
Rwose ndabizi ko ufite santi muri abanyamakuru kazi. Sibye ko muri abanyamakuru atari ingenzi. Uriya niyo yanapfira ku rugamba nabirenze.
Check. Did you hear that?
Uranyumva?
Testing.
Arabanza agafata hakuno agashyira bw'amajwi mu matwi. Barafata ka video. Yitonze.
Important is you, our daughter.
Icy'ingenzi ni wowe.
Our mission.
Umukobwa wacu na misiyo. Buri kanya hora yibuka amagambo umugore yamubwiraga. Ndagukunda cyane Martin. Hakuno hari abapanze guhurira nande na Tatiana. Aza na kesi yitwaje.
I'm not armed.
Nta ntwaro nitwaje.
I'm gonna get my phone out of my pocket, okay?
Hano nazanye na telefone indi mu mufuka.
Fucking game.
Yabagino senye shaka.
I'm gonna send you a link.
Ndagwa link. Sinzi ni yiki.
It's a link to a video stream. Just open
Ni
it.
link ya video stream cyangwa ya video runaka uyifungure. Abana video bafashe ka Sasha.
So in that case.
Files ziri muri yo case.
Once Lisa's safe, I'll send you the address.
Bereza umwana wanjye Lisa. Naye ndagwa address zawo umukobwa namufungiye niyo case afite. Nta bindi. Mugabo naye si umuswa. Yanze kuzana case umuntu acashobora kwitanga bakaramurasa nangana bakakica. Uranyumva neza. Address ndazigwa ari kumaye umwana wanjye nawe ari muzima. Sasha.
Я слышала, у тебя...
Afite ubwiye kuteri mu matwi. Kamera kari imbere. Okay. Kana karaha.
It was a bracelet of my daughter.
Ati nanjye gakomokara ku mwana wanjye nawe mugakunda. Ndaka kwihereye. Kavuga iki?
Masha.
Yitwaga Masha. Nimba nawe yarabuze umwana ntumbaze. Ukijyanira wa mwana we ntago twabanye nabi.
Now go.
Sawa igendere.
Отведи ее.
Mwana mumujyane kwa se.
It's all gonna be over soon, sweetheart.
Mwana nje humura birarangira vuba ndagusezeranye. Baramusaka nta kindi nta ntwaro.
On chest.
Gasanga se. Adirese
Saskahanska Street, 97.
ababwira umuhanda 95 kuri floor ya mbere, babwira izina rya etage.
Едьте вместе.
Bitonze binja mu modoka bajya kureba kuri etage kuko nimba bakoze iki ababwiye ariho. Apagasi ba mbere baragenda. Kapagasi bakerekeye asigaranye na Tatiana. Kumbe video ya muhaye na live ya recorded already. Kumbe wa mukobwa nawe hafi. Yo, Sasha na barahari. Batangira kurasa gakobwa. Hey! Kana. Basasa ragasakuriza. Kuma hasi tuzamuka. Tatiana nako Sasha na hafi nawe. Hey, nakabunda. Bamara sibyo mu mbavu. Akamasasa ragashirana.
Она пуста.
Что?
У нее нет патронов.
Ajya gushaka gakobwa. Acecere. Kana. Kana ntugire ikibazo hamwe. Gipaga se mu tuza. Kumbe kano bagafashe. Kasashe.
Martin, you know what I want.
Martin uzi icyo nshaka. Business turimo unayijua. Nashaka case.
I've got it.
Don't do it, Martin.
Martin tabikora byo kuvuga. Izo files goma kuzi publishing kazi ya kwa rubanda. Wezitanga. Yetonze.
No matter what happens to me,
Mwana ngi byambaho byose.
you stay here, right?
Gume hano sibyo? Papa hoya. Wigenda.
You stay here.
Gume hano utava mu modoka. Gume hasi gusa. Papa! Zana briefcase. Yako mukobwa agende. Munagire case.
Fucking file.
Don't do it.
Arayinaga. Yibuka byamubaye bwa mbere muri Ukraine. Anaga za files. Arongeye arazinaze. Baramuhereza noneho. Byanyabyo. Bwa mbere byamubayeho. Ari kumwe na se w'agakobwa. Sinzi kacira kuri inshuro.
Я сказала на колени.
Kano nako karapfukama.
Передавай своему папа.
Bakira awaru warashe umudamu. Kureba neza. Kumbe kubyabinditse yabyukaga gatoza gukoresha imbunda. Akana kivuganye nde? Tatiana. Tayari. Sasa gisigaye sinzi uko se bamugeza kwa muganga. Lezo ameze neza.
We need to get him to a doctor.
Tugomba kumushaka kugitwa kumujyana kwa muganga. Bakiraho ntibisanzwe abaza birangiye ni ibisanzwe barahagera. Baziteka byaranye nimba batangira kurasana batumva amasasu. Sasha.
Out the case.
Fat your case.
Slowly.
Kana uzano witonze.
No way out, Sasha.
Aha wacekeye Sasha. Kwabwa afata ya briefcase. Yitonze. Bamurasa mu rutugu. Yinjira amazi. Nta numwe yizera. Sevare bya kana inzira karengane nase yari yaravuye mu kazi uyobora uko bamurashe ibitekerezo n'andi babiri tangira kubona ageze pfiriya rwa bijojero ari kumwe na madamu orayibuka madamu waciye ishene muri rimwe tugaruka hakuno sasa asaza harazigera ziricuma n'iminsi iricuma bisi yazaga kana kari muri bisi araho kana bakazanye mwana zanu ku kigereza bano bose baje gusura akana kaziramo kugera hakuno hari ukuntu ukora icyaha ukarwara bakuvurira muri gereza Sara cyari kuri serum Insi maze kwihirika bite papa ni njyewe Kareba se
Dad.
Papa kira hakuno
You okay?
Meze neza Okay meze neza nta kibazo
I'm okay now, see.
meze neza nta kibazo kongera kubona
So how are they treating you?
Ifwana barimo baragufata bate
She makes me soup for lunch.
atanekera isupu buri munsi tangira kumubwira senze uba babana nene bari Sasha bagumanye n'akana
And a laptop.
namuguriye televiziyo na laptop
Her daughter Marina lives in Moldavia.
ati hari umwana afite yitwa Marina uba muri Moldavia
Marina's really sweet.
Marina ni umuntu mwiza buretse gato waguze televiziyo na laptop
Where'd you get that kind of...
amafaranga menshi kucyagwiza wakuye narayakoreye warayakoreye
That Russian lady, she was
uriya
kind
mugore wo mu Rusiya
of weird.
ntago yari asanzwe
She was crazy about gambling. But
yakundaga gukina urusimbi akina ibintu bya boxing
services.
twajyaga dusheta 50 ariko ntabwo yari azi kubetinga ku muntu ngo arebe indwanya ishoboye kumera
I ran the numbers and she popped the money.
ati najyaga ashyiraho imibare bagasheta amafaranga
Oh, actually,
tugatsinda tugapasura nawe rwose wabuze uri umuhanga kuva na kera gera hano naragukumbuye papa ego
she told me what really happened to Mom.
uko wambwije ukuri byabaye kuri mama
She said she tried to save her.
bambwiye ko wagerageje kumutabara. Byagenze bite? Byari accident.
I just didn't know how to tell you that.
Mwana wanjye sinzi buryo ki nakubwira ukiri umwana.
I didn't want you to hate me.
Nari mbizi kuzanyanga nkubwira ikije nyoko. Papa nta kibazo.
Very good father, have I?
Ntago nigeze nkubera so mwiza.
I love you.
Papa ndagukunda.
We're a team, remember?
Turi ikipe nye nawe.
We're a team.
Turi ikipe koko. Ese mugenzi bari abakene bakajya kwishinira boxing akana kakabetinga. Isaga sanga ni kamushete kashete abandi. Mugabo yaje hakuno ku kibuga cy'indege ni Trevor. Hano ngiye kujya. Abona kana kamushuti karaho hafi. Lisa.
You all right?
Meze neza. Nikavuga. Akira hakuno. Arebye ko kamuhaye.
Familiar.
Ese urabona ari bisanzwe? Sa nkaho bizi.
To copy the originals in a safe place.
Ati yo ni copy ahubwo copy original irabitswe.
If anything happens to me or my dad,
haramutse hagize ikimbo cyangwa kikaba kuri data,
it'll be sent toward the right people.
Ati ahubwo ibyo bizajya ku bantu banyabo.
I know you'll find a way to get him out of here.
Ndabizi yuko wakora ibishoboka kugira ngo kuri hano data. Akana we nasa ni ikipe uyakorana ngana se muri MI6. Nimba nari umugamba nyakorana n'abarusiya ntumbaze.
I hope you're doing fine.
Kumbano Sasha irwa kohereza inzandiko.
Foster mother takes good care of you.
Ati nizere ko mama baguhaye gufata neza.
For saving my life.
Ati nawe barakoze kuntabara.
Inside this envelope you will
muri envelope uraza kubonamo izina y'aba double agent harimo abakozi benshi bakorera MI6 banakorera CIA
6 network.
Bagenda ari abagambanyi.
Be careful.
Witonde.
Remember.
Iyo liste nguhaye.
Must behave like
harimo ibirura byinshi kandi iyo bana n'ibirura nawe ugomba kwitwara nkabyo. Iyo liste mu gihe uyifite nta muntu wagukanga. Bakorera MI6 bakorera na CIA. Ati ni Sasha ayo makuru nigiye yaguhaye. Ubwo nibwo burinzi ufite. Nibwatinze hakuna imyigaragambyo mu baturage iratangira.
Online publication of the files in Russia.
Abarusiya batangiye kwigaragambya kubera yuko leta yabo irimo iragenda ikora iki? Ikora ibisasu bya kirimbuzi. Wa mukobwa Sasha nta kindi yakoze. Yaragiye rwose ajya ku mateleviziyo yo muri Ukraine atangira kubitangaza.
What is your response to that?
If it's a fake news.
Niba ari amakuru ya fake.
Then they permit inspections of a chemical weapons lab.
Kuki bakomeje Abarusiya kudukurikirana izo chemical weapons zatako tubivugaho?
Back in communist times.
Ataracyifata nk'abakomunisiti nko mu bihe bya kera.
On opposition activists and journalists.
Ntabwo abashaka umunyamakuru cyangwa umuntu wese wasa nkaho agiye guhangana nabo bashaka kumurimbura hakiri kare.
But this isn't just a Russian problem.
Iki ntabwo ari ikibazo cy'Uburusiya gusa.
The concept of objective truth is being threatened everywhere.
Ahubwo nisa nk'ari Uburusiya bushaka kwigira igihugu cyatera ubwoba buri muntu ahari hose. Niyo mpamvu dushaka ko ibica ku buri kinyamakuru cyose bikaba ari inkuru mpuzamahanga.
Lies will be our history.
Reka wenda tunavuga ko ari n'ukubeshya ariko binatubera amateka. Kana hakuno kahoraga kabwira se ngo akazi ko kurwana nta kazi kakarimo kikundira ishuri iserwa kigisha kurasa akana mugenzi kare kazima mu mutwe kifatira umwanzuro w'iki aho kujya kiga. Dore ibyo kahoraga gasaba se bifunguriye hakuno ka restaurant.
It's pretty fashion, isn't it?
Mwana wanjye byambwiraga n'ukuri.
Desk, I mean at the end of the day you're just going to be stuck behind a computer, aren't you?
Ngeza jamba ni kuri computer papa buri munsi turi kumwe wowe useriva abantu n'indi ari ku mashini yandika ibyinshi ni byasohotse.
Come on, Lise, it's not all about money.
Ntago ari amafaranga menshi dukeneye mwana wanjye.
Yeah, you could, and you could also
bashyiraho ari ndi yaparitse. Nifungurira kuno ka restaurant kana kahoraga kabwira se kare akazi kadahambana ko kwirirwa urwana na amafuti gashaka ko bazafungura restaurant bayifungura hakuno. Sasha nawe nta kundi yagize gutya abo babanye nubwo batacimbuye byiza hamwe burya ngibihe wibukiraho umuntu nibibi mwacanyemo. Igikone cyafunze abona haro abagendereye. Sasha yinjiye mu nzu
Феникс на позиции.
aba bagendaho nabo ntibarashira
Выполняй.
abarusiya baracyabakurikirana. Fandi amenya ko bakiri kumwe. Cha Yesu n'umwami yari yandambiye. Ndakeka nuko igenze yari Sankara da Premier nk'ibisanzwe abagiye mwakoze kuzamura bano ndabakunda cyane cyane. Nimuci kuzikurikira nimba ifite kabiri yayo mbonye abarusiya bakibagendaho simbizi neza namwe muzayibona ndabakunda cyane kandi mpamvu bakunda murayizi urumva noneho.